What's up, nerds and virgins? It's your boy APE Crypto, and today I'll be talking about a very interesting project in Pavia, which is Cardano's very first metaverse, and I believe it has serious potential in the long-term future. But before we do that, I'd appreciate it if you could like this video to help the YouTube algorithm, and if you like CNFTs and you want to learn more about CNFTs, I'd recommend subscribing to this channel and hitting that notification bell so you do not miss a single CNFT video. I'm coming with CNFT videos almost every single day, so make sure you're subscribed so you do not miss a single piece of content. Also, while you're at it, make sure you follow me on Twitter at APE Crypto YT, just in case anything happens to my channel. And also, I post news and updates on here quicker than I do on YouTube because I have to record it and edit it and all that stuff. So follow me on Twitter to not miss a single beat in the CNFT space. I post CNFT news, CNFT discussions, and I also post daily giveaways so you can get your chance to win an NFT. And if you like me that much, I'd appreciate it if you followed CNFT, which is my own project, which is in my bio. So click that and hit that follow button. I really would appreciate it. So anyway, Pavia. What is Pavia? What is a metaverse? What is all this crazy stuff? So first thing I'll briefly touch over is what is a metaverse and how it's really huge. Because maybe if you're just into NFTs and into crypto as a whole, you may not know what a metaverse is. And especially if you're not involved in this space at all. So let me break that down for you and make it as clear and concise as possible. So a metaverse is a virtual reality space in which users can interact with a computer-generated environment and other users, and it is widely regarded as the future of the internet. We've got people like Mark Zuckerberg and Facebook becoming a metaverse company, and the idea of the metaverse developing more and more. I personally see this as the future of the internet as well. This is a growing space and it is set to blow up. And of course, cryptocurrency is involved in the mix, as cryptocurrency is the evolution of finance. So the evolution of finance and the evolution of internet are going hand in hand. So if you're into cryptocurrency, some examples of a metaverse is Decentraland and the Sandbox, which you may have heard of, and they both run on Ethereum. They are both metaverses, which are made up of a map and land of which that you can buy. And of course, you can sell this as well. But more importantly, it allows you to have an awesome digital experience. Cardano's main competitor, Ethereum, is already balls deep into this world, but Cardano is finally dipping their toes in with Pavia, and this could be huge. So now you've got a brief idea of what a metaverse is and the significance of a metaverse. What is Pavia? So Pavia is Cardano's very first virtual world owned by users. And the Pavia metaverse currently has 29,000 NFT land parcels, which was sold about a week ago. Each land parcel is uniquely numbered based on coordinates of the Pavia IO world. As this is in early stages, you cannot visit or deploy any content onto your land parcel, but the team are working hard on delivering this. Here's the map that everyone can see, which I'll leave in the description, with the website, the Twitter, and the Discord as well. And you can look around on the map and see coordinates. So I'll put in 6969 for example, because I'm really mature, and then click go to coordinate. And if you own 6969, you can see that is your spot that you own. That piece of land is yours. Some people like to think of this as digital real estate. I personally own 5 Pavia land slots, which I swept off the floor because I was late to the party and missed out on the mint, which was for $39.88. And as you can see, these are the lowest prices, so minting it was very profitable. In saying that, I'm scooping this one up, so now I'll own 6. So I own 6 of these and I'm bullish on these, but what is the plan? What's Pavia's roadmap? So they've had their initial sale, they've had their policy ID verified, they've got their map and the functionality all sorted, they've got their community Discord, and coming in the next month is a public announcement on selected partners who will help deliver the long-term in-game Pavia virtual world visitors experience and more. If this is a good announcement and the partners are amazing, I really could see the floor of this skyrocketing, because right now it's pretty much just an idea and speculation, but that's a risk that I'm personally willing to take, as I do believe in the future of metaverses, and especially the first one on Cardano. So as you can see on this roadmap, they're in early stages and the metaverse won't be ready for the next year, 2 years, who knows. There's no real clear time on it. But if you've invested in Cardano, you should be familiar with this. So for me personally, I'm not worried about short-term fluctuations here. I'm in this for the long term because I do believe in the future of metaverses, but I do believe we're a couple years away. I just bought this for 100 ADA and the other 5 that I bought were off the floor around 120, 130. So I'm currently down on them investments, but I honestly do not care. This is a long-term hold for me. So let's put this into perspective. I bought that for 188 just then, and that's the equivalent to $215 USD and $290 Australian, which sounds like a lot, but in comparison to other metaverses and land slots on theirs, on Ethereum, it is nothing. So if we head over onto OpenSea, you'll see a parcel for Decentraland, and it's going for 4,995 mana, which is Decentraland's native currency, and that is $4,440 for the cheapest parcel, 22 times higher value than the Pavia floor, which of course makes sense because Decentraland is a lot more developed and it is popular and as well as on Ethereum, but that's just to put perspective on this. And it goes to show that the demand for metaverses, even in 2021, is quite high. For Cardano and for Pavia, I can see the floor rising, and as well as the Ethereum metaverses as well. Another example is Sandbox, and as you can see, the lowest buy now price currently now is 0.448 Ethereum, which equates to $1,882, which is still a huge amount higher than Pavia's. Sandbox, like Decentraland, is also a lot more developed than Pavia. It just goes to show the potential future price of Pavia if they can garner user adoption. So on metaverses as a whole, I'm bullish, and the fact that this is the first one on Cardano, I'm bullish on this as well. Sometimes the first mover is the most successful. Look at Space Buds, look at Decentraland, Bitcoin, just anything really in crypto that we mostly see. The first mover is usually really successful. And this is brilliant that Cardano has its first mover. So long term, I am really bullish on this. Yes, the roadmap isn't really detailed. Yes, there's no details on the team, and this is pretty much pure speculation. We don't even know if they can deliver. This information will come out, but as of now, there's nothing and it's speculation. But personally, I'm in a position where I can speculate because of other investments that I've made in the CNFT space, so I'm playing with profits. I don't mind putting aside a couple hundred ADA for a couple years because I do believe in the potential of Pavia, and overall, I believe in metaverses. So anyway guys, that's it for today's video. What do you think of Pavia? What do you think of metaverses? Let me know in the comment section below. Are you bullish on Pavia? Are you not? I personally think it's a long-term hold, and I'm very bullish, and I'll be holding these for a couple years. I do believe these land parcels can be worth a couple $1,000s. And I believe patience will pay. But in saying that, please do your own research, as I'm not a financial advisor. This is just my opinion and my interest. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button, as well as smashing that subscribe button and also tapping that notification bell, as all of them things help my channel grow. I appreciate all of you watching. I'm the leader of Nerds and Versions. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you all next time.